I just installed my windshield wipers, so I'm going to show you guys how I did it. They unfold that way. Careful not to let your arm fly over and hit the window. So, this is a Duralast. We're going to flip it out just a little bit. Come over here, slide it in between. Hold your finger in it so it doesn't fly over. So as soon as you get it in there, come around, push up against it. It's going to slide in. Just one hand along. There you go. It's going to slide up and in. You can hear a little click if I can get it. Okay. There's our little click. Now it doesn't seem like it's going to be secure. Those little two pins are very flimsy. Watch, I can just pull it out. See how they opened up? But once it closes, the little bracket right there holds it from coming out. So you should be good to go. And that's it.